If Elon Musk pulls all of his companies together and is openly trying to create one big company, there will be no company on earth that looks like this new company. Not Apple, not Saudi Aramco, not anything in human history.
So let's take 3 minutes just to walk you through what that could actually look like.
Yeah, quick scoreboard. Last March, xAI, Musk's AI company, bought X, the social media platform. A year later, in February of this year, SpaceX absorbed xAI. Combined valuation, $1.25 trillion. That's the largest private merger ever completed in any industry that you never heard about.
Right, and SpaceX is the rocket and satellite company. So now the rocket and satellite company owns the AI lab and the social network. And in roughly 6 weeks, around mid-June, SpaceX is targeting an IPO of around $1.5 trillion, which would, by a wide margin, be the largest IPO ever.
And then there's the question of Tesla, right? And, Wedbush Securities, Reuters, Bloomberg, all reporting that Musk has openly floated combining Tesla into the SpaceX xAI entity. Prediction markets currently put a Tesla merger announcement before June at somewhere between 12 and 24%. Not a sure thing, but it's not a fringe theory anymore.
It's not. So let's take a second to imagine what one combined company might actually look like.
Yeah, it would be the world's dominant rocket company. SpaceX files more launches in a year than the rest of the planet combined. It would own the world's largest satellite network, Starlink, 9,000 satellites in orbit, 9 million customers, with FCC filings to launch up to 1 million more.
Yeah, I mean, it would be, I'd say, one of the leading humanoid robot programs with Optimus. Tesla just announced they're shutting down the Model S and X production lines. You obviously have traditional auto manufacturers with Tesla, $95 billion in revenue. It would own one of the 4 or 5 frontier AI models, Grok. It would own one of the largest social platforms in the Western world, your favorite, X.
Yep, there'll be 600 million users, and they're talking about putting like a payments platform on X, a digital payments platform that would somehow be connected to crypto. So you'll be able to use your social media platform for payments. It would be a brain-computer interface company, Neuralink, owned by Musk personally, why they speculated to fold in eventually. And when you put it all together, what do you have? You basically got a $110 billion revenue business with a private valuation north of 2.7 trillion if you include Tesla. More importantly, a single company that touches the launch industry, the satellite business, the auto business, robotics, AI, social media, payments, and eventually neural hardware. I mean, there's nothing. This is incredible. There's nothing like this.
No, not even close. I mean, so we get asked, how do we think about this? Honestly, it's the same way we think about most things. We don't have to predict whether Musk pulls Tesla in by June or by 2028 or never. We don't have to guess whether SpaceX prices the IPO at $1.5 trillion or $2 trillion or somewhere in between.
Yeah, because we own the index, so we're gonna own all of these positions because they're going to be huge inside the index. Most of our clients, a lot of our clients on SpaceX, a lot of our clients have large positions in Tesla, including we do as well. And so these things will all kind of come together and form one huge company. But it's also, we think the structure of the markets in the future. We've built our portfolios because we think the structure of the markets is the index funds are going to win because these massive winners are going to become these behemoths that drive the entire market. And again, today there's the Mag 7, give it 10 years, 20 years, there'll be the Mag 30, right?
Right.
And the only way you're going to get all those winners in your portfolio is to be indexed, because in index, the winner rises to the top and the loser falls out. And we have the ability to know that no one's going to guess who all these winners are.
So the scale's really pretty wild, and the story is equally fascinating. But the portfolio application for us is keep doing what we've been doing. Whether you love Musk or you don't love him, the scale of what he's trying is unlike anything we've ever seen, and it's worth keeping an eye on.
That's right. And our structure will get us into that investment if it's a good one. And if it's not, the market will kick it out and we won't own it. So please like and subscribe to Aligned. Thank you for listening.